Hi everyone, today, I'll show you how to create a dynamic weather report web page using HTML and JavaScript. Let's dive in. We'll start with a simple HTML structure. We have a heading for our weather report and a div where the weather data will be displayed. Next, we add a script that runs when the page loads. This script fetches the user's location using the IP API. Once we have the location data, we use the latitude and longitude to fetch weather information from the Open Weather Map API. We use our API key and specify the units as metric to get the temperature in Celsius. In the second fetch, we get the weather data and display it on our page. We extract details like location, weather description, temperature, humidity, and wind speed. And there you have it. A live weather report based on your location. Refresh the page, and it updates automatically. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tips.